Hello there, how are you doing today? My name is Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we will show you how to assemble your Think V1 office chair. Let's get started. Alrighty, so we have our box here. We're going to carefully open it from the top. Alright guys, we do have an instruction sheet included here with instructions as well to assemble your chair. The first item we'll see is the back to your Think chair. Let's go ahead and put that off to the side. Want to go ahead and remove the base, grabbing by the bottom of the arms, lifting straight up. We're going to find our little hardware kit, which consists of 2 screws and a bit. Move the chair off to the side. Let's go ahead and put our back on. All right, folks, so in order to put the back on, it's easiest to have the chair seat in its most forward position. So we're gonna grab the seat depth lever, pull it forward, spin the chair back again, and we're gonna line the back up here, and these things go right under there. So a little tricky, but with some patience, you should be able to get it. Like so. Okay, we're gonna manually put our screw in first. Like so. I do have a T30 bit in my drill gun on its lowest setting. Nice and gently screw it in. We'll do the same to the other side. All set. All right guys, so there you have it. That's how you assemble your Think V1 office chair. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.